Let's go. Hello, everybody. This is Oceania from South Korea, and you're a Korean teacher. So today we're gonna learn about the number with the Korean. Okay, so if you guys are ready, I'm gonna share the screen and let's start it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so this is our today's class slide. If you guys can see, please write down in the chat yes. Then for the checking. So if I can see that you're answering, then I will start our first class. Okay. All right. A lot of people say yes. Okay. Then let's start. So numbers, how you can say. So we have two different counting version, which is Sino based on the Chinese pronunciation, and also native Korean with the word that just says. It's called native Korean. It's a counting version. Okay. Sino version is just based on the Chinese pronunciation, but with the Korean accent. So the reason that we have like two different counting versions is depends on the situations. The counting version is going to be different, so we have to learn about both of it. So let's say if I give an example, if you want to say something about the age, we have to using some native Korean, but for the date we have to using some like Sino version and native Korean at the same time. Also other people, this depends on the situations. There's a lot of different counting, or a lot of like different, not differences. A lot of situation we have to use the like each like counting version. So that's why we have to learn both of it. Okay, so let's go to the Sino Chinese pronunciation first. Okay, so I'm gonna just slow down a bit. So please listen my voice carefully, and then you guys can practice at your place. Okay, so 1 to 10. I'm gonna start with the Sino version first. Okay, let's go. Number 1, how you can say 일. Number 2, 이. Number 3, 삼. Number 4, 사. Number 5, 오. Number 6, 육. Number 7, 칠. Number 8, 팔. Number 9, 구. Number 10, 십. All right, so I think this until here is you have to just memorize it, because this is the thing we have to just memorize. That's the reason why. Okay, then how about the 100? How you can say? For the 100 with the Sino version, we can say 백. 1,000, how you can say? 천. 10,000, you can say 만. For this one, it's going to be really important because it's going to be related with the pricing in the South Korea. So let's say if you want to buy something in the South Korea when you visit it, this 만 is going to be one of the most like common currency that you're going to use in the South Korea. So Please watching this really carefully, okay? Man. You also think, or you also can think about like, man is the have a 40. As you can see in here. So after the 40, you can just think about the man for the counting, okay? So let's say, how about the how about the like 100,000? How you can say with it? 100,000, you can go after the curve with the 40. And for the 40, we can just counting with the man, okay? But in the first line, has a 10. How you can say with 10? So ship, right? Then it's gonna be what? Ship. And 40, man. So it's gonna be what? 십만. 십만. Okay? How about the 1 million? You can cut after the 40. And how this one, like how you can say with this one? 100 is 100, right? So it's gonna be 100, and 40 is gonna be what? 만. So 100만. 100만. Okay? How about 10 million? How you can say? 10 million. But the counting is what? 1000. 1000. Then after the 1000, it's a 40. Then how you can say? 1000만. 1000만. Okay? For the 100 million, we don't have a 만만, everybody. 1000만 is the best and highest number that can like using with the 만. Okay? Then how you can say with the 만만? You can say with 억. 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 Okay? So I think you can learn until here because like more like over the 억 is gonna be you're not gonna be used that much. At least you're buying some building or supercar or something, okay? So I think it's just gonna be enough. So please practice it with this one, okay? So I'll give it a 20 seconds. So you can just repeat and then just memorize it, okay? Then let's go to the practical class. Let's have some like little bit of practice for this, okay? This one, okay? So before to start with our practice, I already mentioned you that like, please bring some of our class notes for this class. So are you guys already prepared your class notes? If you guys are yes, then please write down in the chat, please. Did you guys already prepare our class notes? Nobody. Obviously, you guys are. That was already provided in our class notes. So, are you guys prepared our class notes with the number? I didn't. Oh, okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. You guys can just. It's okay, totally fine. You guys can just find out at our previous class notes. Okay. All right. All right. So some people's yes and some people's not. Okay. It's okay. You can just download it over there. Okay. So I'm going to give you the 10 seconds more for the watching this one and memorize this one. And we can try with our practical class. Okay. Okay. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, I think it's already 10 seconds. Okay, so let's practice with, let's say, which one should we try? Okay. Let's go with this one. First digit, like a single digit first. Single digit with 5. How you can say 5 in the Sino version? Can you write down in the chat with the Korean and the English? How you can say with 5? 5. With the Sino version, how you can say? Correct, Jessica. And with the Korean, how you can say? Five is what? Oh. Oh. This one is the how you can write down with the Sino version. Okay, there you go. Correct, Leah, Kate. All right, thank you for the answering. Okay, then how you can say 15, everybody? 15. I'm gonna give you the example. How you can say 15. 15 is gonna be 10 plus 5, right? 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5. Then how they can say? Format is gonna be 10 plus 5. So where's the 10? 10. And then what is the 5? Oh. So it's gonna be correct. 10. Oh. 10. Oh. This is the answer. Okay. Not that difficult, isn't it? You can just add it together. Okay. Then how about the 55? 55, everybody. 55. I'm going to give you the hint to how to write down the format. The first letter, the first number have to be comes out first. And then which position is it? It's the 10th position. 15 is correct? Yes, correct. Okay. And then next one is going to be 5, right? So what was the O? No, sorry guys. What was the 5? O. And then which position is it? 10th position. So it's going to be 10. And then next number is what? 5. O again. So it's going to be O, 10, O. This is the how you can write. So this is how you can write 55 with the Sino version. Okay, it's not that difficult, everyone. Okay, so you just need to memorize the format. Okay, let's try with the 200. Okay, 200. How you can say number have to be always comes out first. It's gonna be 2, and then which position is it? 100 position. Then how you can say? I'll give you the time. How you can write down with 2 and the 100 position. What is the 2 in the Korean Sino version? E. And then correct, David. All right, impressive. And 100 position, 100. That's all. E, 100. Impressive. Just like this. Okay. Okay, let's go with the 2021. Our year. Then how you can write down with this one, with the format? First number is what? 2. And then which position is it? 1000 position. Is there have any 100 position? No. Then you can just skip it. And the next one is going to be what? 2. Next number is 2. And which position? 10th position. And then last one is what? Which number is it? 1. So let's go by step. Then how you can say? 2 is what? E. And then what's that? 1000? 1000 position, 1000 position, 1000. And next number is what? 2. So it's going to be E again. And then which position? 10th position, 10. And then lastly, the number is going to be what? 1. So that's all, everyone. 2021. 2021. This is how you can write down 2021. Difficult, isn't it? But you just need to memorize the format, then it's gonna be super duper easy to write it down. Okay, format is gonna be number first, and you have to calculate which position is which position they are, and then go to the next number, and then check the which position is it, and then you can just calculate just like that. Okay, not that difficult, everybody. All right, then let's go to native Korean. Okay, for the native Korean, has a like also different pronunciation. For the zero, with the we can use it with the native Korean and the Sino version at the same time, which is young. Young. You looks like a young. Yeah, it's something like that. Young and 공. 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 Okay, you can just memorize for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna speak out with the 1 to 10 with the native Korean. So you can, I will speak with the slow down a bit so you can practice it in your place. Okay, let's go with, let's start. 1, you can say 하나, 하나, 하나. Number 2, 둘, 둘, 둘. 3, 셋, 셋, 셋. 4, 넷, 넷, 넷. 5, 다섯, 다섯, 다섯. 6, 여섯, 여섯, 여섯. 7, 일곱, 일곱, 일곱. 8, 여덟, 여덟, 여덟. 9, 아홉, 아홉, 아홉. 10, 열, 열, 열. Okay, there's the 1 to 10, and we also have a 20 to 90, but don't worry guys, until here is gonna be the last, and then over the 100, something like that, you can just use it with the Sino counting version over the 100. Okay, the reason that you need with the 20 to 90 with the native Korean is you have to speaking with your age with the native Korean. So let's say if you want to take, like if you want to say something, if you want to answer something about the age for your parents or your older people, all those kind of things, you have to use the native Korean. So please remember this one as well. Memorize this one as well. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 20. Let's go. 20 is gonna be 스물, 스물, 스물. 30, 서른, 서른, 서른. 40, 마흔, 마흔, 마흔. 50, 쉰, 쉰, 쉰. 60, 예순, 예순, 예순. 70, 일흔, 일흔, 일흔. 80, 여든, 여든, 여든. 90, 아흔, 아흔, 아흔. Okay, so after the 90, as I told you, you can just use it with the Sino counting version. Okay, until here, so far so good. If you guys have any like question until here, if you guys have like a difficult, if you guys can catch up, please just write down in the chat yes or okay. Okay. For until here, I think all the things that we have to do is to just memorize, okay, and keep practicing it. Okay. If you guys are okay, then please write down in the chat yes or okay. So we can go, you can proceed with our practice. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, let's go to the practice then. Let's go. Let's go with okay. I think we can just practice it. Okay. If you're from the North America, please write down your name in the chat, please. So we can start with the one by one with the practice. Okay. Please write down in the chat that about your name if you're the North America student. Let me see who is the who is the student from the North America. Jessica, okay, very nice. All right, Jessica, can you turn on your microphone, please?
I'm here.
Hello, can I ask you
Hi.
where are you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey. All right, so let's speak out with the 7, how you can say?
일곱.
일곱, perfect. All right, how about the 4?
네.
Net, all right, very nice. Some people say it's just like net, but you don't need
Net.
to sound like a t pronunciation. You can just say net.
네.
Right? Perfect. All right. Let's do it with the double digit. How old are you? Can I ask you if there's not a rude?
35.
Huh? Sorry.
35.
Okay, 35. Then how you can say 35? You can just add it together. Yeah, I will give you the example. 35. How you can say?
다섯.
All right, very nice. But for the pronunciation with the R, we don't have a R sound in the Korea, so you can just say 서른.
서른.
All right, really impressive.
다섯.
서른다섯.
서른다섯.
Perfect. All right, thank you for trying. Oh, impressive. All right, so let's go to the next person. Alia, can you turn on your microphone, please? Alia, can you turn on your microphone, please? If you cannot turn on your microphone, then your dog might be loud. Oh, okay. Then please text me when the your dog is calm. Okay. I have a question. Does Central America in this class count on North America? Yes, because I try to make with the Central America, but it's gonna have a huge it's gonna be I need to make some another class, but I cannot manage with the too many classes. Hope you guys can understand. Okay. Okay, so thank you for the question. David, can you turn on your microphone, please? Hello.
Hi,
All right, can I ask you where are you from?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Oh, wow, interesting. Okay. This is your first time to apply with the North America class?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Impressive. So which one do you want to try? Native Korean or Sino version for the practice?
I don't know.
Anything's fine. Yeah, just recommend. Just tell me whatever you want. Which one you want to try
I
to
think
practice?
that I will go with the native.
Okay, Native Korean. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the single digit first then. Okay. 8. How you can say?
Yo, yodol,
Okay, perfect. 여덟. Can you try again?
yodol,
여덟. All right, perfect. How about the 9? You can say
다섯,
9.
다섯.
다섯. All right. Can you see the screen in here? What is the 다섯?
Oh, sorry. I
It's
understand 9.
okay. Okay. 9 is what?
다섯,
아홉.
다섯.
Yeah. Can you see my face right now? Right? 아홉.
Hoop,
Yeah. Your 호 with the O sound has to be a bit longer. 호흡.
hoop.
Yeah. It's like a hope, but like a hope. So like not with a b, but like hope. Hope.
Hop.
Perfect. All right. Let's go to the double digit. Let's say, okay. Can I ask you one of your parents' age?
53.
53. Okay, then can we speak with the 53? First of all, how you can say 50?
Shin.
Shin, perfect. And then what's the 3?
Set.
Set. But yeah, but as I told you before, we didn't have a pronunciation at about in the ending. So set.
Set.
Okay, and then how we can add it together?
Set.
Shinset, perfect. That is the 53. So you can memorize that one. Okay, you can also practice with another
Okay.
parents like a birthday, no, not a birthday, so your age as well. Okay, thank you for trying. All right, so let's go to the next person. Leah, thank you. Can you turn on your microphone, please? Leah, do you also have a dog? Hope you can turn on your microphone. If you're shy, it's okay because we have to practice by the speaking. Leah, can you turn on your microphone, please? If you're too shy, then I'm gonna wait for the 5 seconds and go to the next person. 5, 4. Your microphone doesn't work. Oh, I see. Totally fine. Totally fine. Okay, but please keep practicing in your place. Okay. Okay, Rose, can you turn on your microphone, please? Rose, hello. Is it Rose? Too shy? It's okay. I'm gonna guide you how to do it, okay? Please just turn on your microphone. Is it also have like a weird situation?
Okay.
All right. Don't worry, okay? Nobody gonna scold you, okay? Because like everything, like everybody's in here is the new students, so nobody's gonna scold you. Nobody gonna like blame you, even you're wrong.
I actually know my numbers because I took Taekwondo when I was younger.
Oh, impressive. All right, interesting. So which one you want to try? Native Korean or Sino version?
I guess Sino because we use native.
Okay, very nice. Then let's go with the, okay.
Oh no.
So when did you born?
Huh?
Your year, please. When did you born?
2000. So then what's
2000.
my Korean age? Sorry.
Korean age. Okay, for the Korean age, you can just add the 1 year. And actually, when you're birthed in the South Korea, we only already have a 1 years old because we also counting in your mom's belly.
So
as well.
I was born December 1st. So then if I was born in 2000, I'm already 1 years old. You age on January 1st. So does that mean in 2001 I would have already been 2 years old?
Yes, correct.
I knew it. I am 22 years old.
So exactly. So like that. So Korean age is gonna be always gonna dip at the 1 years old after the January 1st. Super easy, right?
Got it.
So, but in some people, yeah, another place is like calculate with the after past your birthday, right? But for South Korea, we only just counting after the January 1st. So you can just easily calculate it. Okay, so 2000. Let's try with it then. How you can say 2000? Format is gonna be what? Number first and then positions. This is gonna be. What is the 2?
Wait. 2 is E.
All right, and which position is it?
E. Wait, I forgot 1000. These are a lot of numbers to try and remember. Okay,
There we go.
1000.
You can see the screen.
Yeah. Is it Chun?
Chun, correct. So it's gonna be 이천. That's all.
Ichun? Oh, okay.
There's no specific. No, not the typical. Huh? So you can just add it together
Ichun.
like this.
Okay.
이천. Okay. Another one. Let's try with. You said you're 22 years old in the Korea. Let's try with
Yes.
the 22. How you can say? The format is gonna be number is 2, and then which position? 10th position, and then next
Ship.
letter is
So,
2. Correct.
So
And-
E should be.
Perfect. Interesting. All right. Very nice. 22 is gonna be your age. Okay. But for the age, we said we have to use it with the native Korean, right? Native
So
Korean.
that
what was
so
the 20?
Native Korean, would that be around 20? So that'd be Samul
스물.
do
스물.
Samul do Samul do.
스물둘. Perfect.
Yeah,
That
okay.
is gonna be your Korean age. Okay. Interesting. All right. Thank you for joining. Okay, let's go to the Kate. Can you turn on your microphone, please?
Hi,
All right. Can I ask you where you're from?
in Mexico.
Sorry? Mexico.
Mexico.
Okay. All right. So which one you want to try? Native Korean or the Sino version?
Yes, native Korean, please.
Native Korean. Okay. Let's try with your age. How old are you?
26.
26. All right. I'm going to give an example how you can say.
It will be 26.
26. Correct. 26.
26.
Okay. 스물 have to be like have some more like accurate pronunciation. 26.
20. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, correct.
Okay.
26.
26.
All right, perfect. Thank you for trying. Very nice. Okay. And last person, Celine. Can you turn on your microphone, please? Celine, are you here? No, I think Celine has just been left. Yeah, because of that signal. I think so. Yes. So until here. So Aliyah, you want to try or not? You want to try? Dog is still barking. If the if the dog is still barking, then we can try next time. Okay. So until here, everybody. So actually, there's not that difficult, everybody, but have to memorize everything and have to put at the right positions. Okay. So please watching this video again, and then please keep practicing and keep practice with the speaking, everybody. Okay. The language is never gonna be grow up until you're speaking out. It's gonna be. I don't mind with the wrong or with the like a different pronunciations, but at least if you try and you can raise your confidence, and it's gonna be really helpful to improve your Korean skill. Okay. So if you don't have any question, we're gonna finish this live, but one more announcement. I'm gonna check with each continent's participation with the 2 months, and I'm gonna give the special session for the most participate and passionate continents. So if I upload this video in my YouTube channel, and please go over there and please leave the comment and please watching as much as you can. So I'm gonna calculate, I'm gonna observe for the 2 months, and then after that, I'm gonna announce that for the result that which continent has a much more participation for our Korean class. Okay, special session is gonna be really interesting because I'm gonna invite someone. So if you guys are interested in it, please keep watching and keep practicing for our class. Okay, then thank you for watching for today, and see you at our next Korean class. Bye bye, guys.